Okay, I have this special message to Ogechi Okeke Njaka today. And this special message for Ogechi is coming from my heart. I feel so emotional this night. I feel so emotional this night. And I really want to, even though she may not see this video today, tomorrow, but I believe that this video will go a long way. Go into appealing to my conscience. No doubt, Ogechi is loved by many. Obviously, there may be few people due to one thing or the other who may not like her. But over the time, what I have witnessed is overwhelming love and support. People who are willing to stake anything just for her freedom. That one alone goes saying that I am not alone in this fight. During my birthday last year, Ogechi was there. Ogechi was among the first 2, 3 to 4 people that sent me a birthday present. She sent 50,000 naira to me to support what I planned that year for my birthday. And this year's birthday, Ogechi is not around to celebrate this year's or to mark this year's birthday with me. And I looked left, right, back, and front. And I decided to do something. What is that? Ogechi sent them 50,000 last year. I decided that I will take 50,000, put it in an envelope, nye a lady, a woman, fall in the categories of the women Ogechi may root out for. Ogechi were a foundation, and mostly foundations they take care of mostly women. So now I have thought about it, and the woman came to my mind. That woman, the woman na video last year, born on a garage, when I help die, when I allow that DNA who a painter on a new diaka, na some paper moto, may help die, very supportive. Since I saw that woman last year, that woman, yeah, hardly a week or 2 weeks ago, that woman will not cross my mind. Now that woman, after me found out the real strength of a woman who is ready to stick to her husband, support her husband, very humble. And Ogechi posted that woman again on her platform. Exactly the same time we repost to Kwalia. That woman winning testimonies of what people did for her. I decided that 50,000 Ogechi last year, I am going to put it in an envelope and I am going to go to this woman and hand it over to her. It is my own way of appreciating Ogechi. To those who are close with Ogechi, she is very loving, very kind lady. What Ogechi doesn't know is what Ogechi will not do for you as a friend. I know how people who with good heart, I know how they get hurt. It may be difficult for you to push them to the limit. But when you push them to the limit, they seem to be in an uncontrollable mode, in an uncontrolled mode, rather. They are uncontrollable if you push them or if you stretch them to the limit. Those people who are too close to Ogechi can tell you the sweet nature and the sweet side of Ogechi. Beyond people who want to silence her, beyond people who wants to bully her, behind people who feels that they know how it feels to use bad words on somebody, but when you use it on them, It will pain them. It will hurt them. They will know the exact weight of those words. I saw real love, fans love, organic one. People run on my battery down today. Ezugo, is it money? Ezugo, is it money? Especially people from America, people from UK, even from Nigeria here, from Dubai, different places. Anapom, Budon, other people. Ezugo has a pity call. They call do so much. People are willing to stake in anything for the sake of Ogechi. You can feel like you want to victimize Ogechi. Do that for all you care. But for what I have seen, I can never regret standing by Oge. I can never regret standing by Oge. And I will never stop standing by Oge. I feel emotional today at some point, especially after Ebudon left my house. Because even Ebudon was so emotional. I decided that 50,000 Ogechi Nyelum na my birthday last year, I am going to dedicate it to that woman. Because I know that that is the kind of things Ogechi na like him. For those of you who labels all manner of names, Nebo Ogechi, I will leave you with one word. I will tell you one thing. If you know that you have never used a bad word, if you know that you have never abused Ogechi, if you know that you have never used such words that Ogechi accuse Ogechi on the use on people, if you know that you have never clapped for people who at some point thought my hand will alter on Facebook, I dare you to cast the first stone. You cannot. Somebody who came in my inbox started by telling me how useless I am. And that is somebody now that I don't advise Ogechi. Now somebody who started by telling me that I am useless, put it together, you know what it means. Who somebody now can advise Ogechi. Or man no need the advice. You gotta go. On my file, almost such word, no Ogechi. Or do so vulgar. But he can use it at will. The highest thing you can tell a woman, the highest thing you can do to a woman, the highest demeaning word you can use for a woman, so many of you have more than 10,000 times. I wonder what you are advocating for. For those who know nyabulu onye nwana, for those who know bulu nne, o nwere onye nke sịrị na no musisiri mbe, na o egosi ụmụ no musisiri mbe. People have gwaguye a lot of things more than even one person can bear. I pour out my heart for Ogechi. I am with Ogechi as my sister. God bear me witness. I saw the pain sometimes when Ogechi explains to you the kind of I understand, because that condition is what I have. I don't need to go further. But I know, and that is why I have chosen to identify with such people. You can say anything you like. Some of you meet me one-on-one on the ground. You feel that you are a nobody. You play anybody. When you feel play anything on a Facebook, I can ask someone, hey, let's go and look for a job. You are working for this. You are rooting for Zion to give you money. You are doing this. Also on a Facebook. Some of you claim to love Senator Ifeanyi. But when I post something good about Ifeanyi, I post about Iloro. Jedia, go see that love you will born. Say, you don't even care about that road. You have your own portion of female lobby to say about him. All the time I spoke about him, even when I talk about Onye, even when I talk about Akwamozuye, it was heavy in your mouth to even say, rest in peace, sir. You have never said, rest in peace, go well, my senator. You have never used such word on Ifeanyi. You are always interested in, but you were there when Ogechi, you failed to talk to Ogechi. Ogechi will your interest, not Senator Ifeanyi. May his soul rest in peace. Your anger is that I did not fall out with Ogechi. Maybe Senator Ifeanyi. When Ifeanyi will wife, family, children, colleagues, workers. But your concern is that just to satisfy your ego, just to fit into that picture you have painted, I did not help you, align with you to go after Ogechi, who is my friend. That is the only crime. Go and check all the videos that I have posted. How many of you have even said good things about Ifeanyi when he was accused of non-Nyabunataro Mazen Nandekano? Some of you who I know, each time I post him while he was alive, you call him saboteur, you call him all manner of names. But because of Ogechi, you woke up, your love about Ifeanyi but suddenly became alive. Say something good about him when I post him. Then, before you even talk about Ogechi, you cannot. You are not interested in Ifeanyi. His personality and everything is not your business. You are only interested in that name Ogechi that has been mentioned. Let me shock you. Let me shock you. No matter what happened, I stand with Ogechi. And Ogechi is going to come out stronger. History is going to repeat itself and it's going to be made. Go and look at people like Ogechi. Go back to history and study them. Mazen Nandekano on detention. A lot of people will bad things to say about him. Some will good things to say about him. Vivian was in detention. Many people will good things to say about him. Many will bad things to say about him. The same thing with every other person, including Matthias and every other person. For Ogechi, you may have bad things to say about him, but we also have good things to say about him because she has shown us her good side. I know so many people who calls me, they shed tears, everything pamado, Ogechi, Ezugo, is it money? Let us bring money. Look at the widows who you cannot even do what Ogechi is doing, but you think you can bring her ministry down. Let me watch that one happen. Let me watch that one happen. You got that good? It is just my own words for Ogechi. I stand with her all the way to the end. And nothing is ever going to change it. Nothing is ever going to change it. Just to satisfy my conscience, I am going to take that 50,000 naira Ogechi. I will put it in an envelope and I will take it to that woman because I know such women will Ogechi na encourage. Ogechi na encourage one. Ejena barkuna. Elena ho. Esena video. If you want to work hard, I will support you. And that is what she is doing. So in line with what she believes in, I am going to use that 50,000 to sow a seed in the life of that woman. You got to go in the I am doing it. I am doing it for Oge. Oge Amron on my birthday. Nyadova. Oge Amron on my birthday. Nyadova. For the lovers of Ogechi, I will always tell you people, keep calm. Keep calm. When you feel me, I believe me bombo. And when you find a foketa, I believe I have borombo. And I have shanka for them. So keep calm. Joy is coming. Ezugo. I am coming back on a live video. Share this video.